Hey everyone, thanks for coming to my channel. Welcome back, welcome back. Well, this is my find today from Goodwill. And I'm always on the hunt for books in different languages. I think it's pretty cool in collage, and sometimes you can get it where maybe like it'll be in a strip or whatever, or you can make tags out of it. So it's, fun not just in collage, but in an art journal or a junk journal as well. And I would think even in some cases in vintage journals. So I was really tickled with this, and I'll show you my favorite book, I'd have to say, excuse me, that I have ever found in a Goodwill or thrift store. But let me show you what I got right here. Now, before we get started, I don't know what any of these say. I want to make that perfectly clear. So I have an idea that this may be some kind of religious book, but I'm not sure. Don't know. This one, now I know that Dr. Dobson, I remember hearing about him. I want to say he was some kind of marriage counselor, because I do see the word sex in there, and then down here, romance and conflicto, which I'm assuming means conflict. So anyway, I think this is the Spanish version. Again, think it'll be cool in collage with some paint slapped over it. This now is really in English, but I thought it would be pretty cool in some cases, to cut out a certain description of something and make it into a tag or a little tip-in, or something in a pocket. There's maps in here and everything. So even though this one is in English, I think it'll be a nice touch in a journal. And as I said, this one, not quite sure, but I think this one is Spanish as well. And then, now I remember these characters, don't necessarily know who those characters are, but these are all in a different language. I'm actually not even sure what language this is. It's going to see, maybe French. There was a little footnote there. So I think that's pretty cool. I do know that means volume 1 and volume 2. And then here we are with, I think is upside down, excuse me, Chinese. And what I found interesting about this is, I'm assuming that this is the front of the book, unless the cover is backwards. Somebody needs to tell me, because this is actually the highest page number, 242, and it kind of goes backwards from what we here in the United States are used to. It goes back to page 1. So I have 2 of those. Nope, they are something different. Don't know what they say. But here is a book that I find to be amazing. It is Chinese characters. It has the Copic stitch on it, and it is really cool to me. It tells you in English what the word means and how to say it. Really neat. But what's even better about this book, and where I find it amazing, is there is nothing on the back page. Every one of these is like a little pocket. So, it's all the way through. Let me see if I can show this on the camera. It's all the way through. But my thinking is that you could always maybe glue the bottom edge or use washi tape or something to seal up the edge, and maybe whatever the meaning is, you could do some kind of something and put in each of those pockets. So this book to me is a wonderful find. I love it. I will leave the book as is. I guess that's a little freebie. I will leave the book as is and figure something out. For right now, it's going to sit on my bookshelf, and I am just so tickled that I found it. And yep, it cost me $2.49. Can you imagine? Anyway, thanks for coming back. And, go to your Goodwill. Go to your thrift stores. I've always said, you never know what you're going to find. Maybe you'll find nothing, but maybe you will find just that thing that you were looking for, or that thing that you didn't know you were looking for, and there it is, right there for you to get at an incredible price. So anyway, happy thrift shopping, and please give me that thumbs up. Let me know that you like what I'm up to, and share my channel with your friends, and I will see you all in a thrift store somewhere, someday, I'm sure. Bye.